Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a focused workspace so tools behave predictably. First, set up Python and a virtual environment inside the project folder. This isolates dependencies. Once active, install Opencv or Opencv Python so pip handles binaries and avoids manual builds. Make sure you select that interpreter in VS Code so IntelliSense and linting point to the right packages. Finally, add the C/C++ extension if you plan to compile native code. It provides include path and debugging support. Once the interpreter and extensions are in place, configure how you run and build. For Python, create a launch. JSON entry to run the file or module and enable console output so you can interact with CV2. Video capture. For C++ projects, define include path and compiler path in C++ properties. JSON, then add tasks. JSON to call G++ or CL with proper I and L flags. This ensures the compiler finds headers and libraries. Make sure runtime paths are set so the loader finds native Opencv DLLs or files. Now execute a minimal test. Import CV2 and print its version, then load an image or open a camera to confirm functionality. Use VS Code breakpoints and the integrated terminal so you can step through frames and inspect variables. If performance or import problems appear, make sure the activated virtual environment matches the interpreter, and that any custom-built Opencv libraries are on path or LD library path. One key troubleshooting tip. Mismatched Python ABI or wrong architecture wheels are the most common cause of import failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.